Greetings from the beautiful nature in Stockholm, Sweden. And I am today exploring this amazing, secluded, spontaneous nudist beach spot on the lake Flaten. And it is absolutely stunning indeed. Just look at that. And the best thing is that it is 25 degrees Celsius in the air. It's smoking hot. I was having on me only the Bips shorts and the Bips shirt while I was cycling. And first I wanted to go to Lake Dreviken at Skruba, but then I realized that here is gonna be probably nobody. And I can also film some nice videos here on this very spot later. Off with the thermometer to measure the temperature, because today I want to swim long in the beautiful Flaten lake. Here also you can have a shadow for a super hot day like this based on the forest. And yeah, 10 kilometers for me to get here with my Scott gravel bike, and I'm really back into the game with the cycling. Beautiful nature, as you can see, and I'm all alone here. Currently it is 12:15 p.m. on this Saturday. That is 23rd of May. And I just can't believe that Eurovision final was 1 week ago and I was live in the arena in Vienna. It's so amazing. But I'm so happy to have the summer in Sweden officially opened today with 25 degrees Celsius. I wanted to go to the sea actually, but I also realized there is a concert today at Grunalund at 6 p.m. for Dolly Style. So maybe I will go there. So I have still like 4 hours to enjoy this beauty anyway. And let's then have the moment of truth. Is it warm or cold in the water? Oh my god, 17 degrees Celsius. I'm going to swim long today. 3 times 10 minutes for sure. I'm gonna tell you more about that tomorrow. What did I manage? But yeah, now I'm gonna put the thermometer on the sun to see that on the sun is maybe 40 degrees. And it's a good thing to be blowing wind on such a hot day. Okay, hot day for Sweden. I know that in many countries this is considered winter, 25 degrees, but in Sweden this is summer. This is as hot as it can get. It doesn't get much hotter than this. The hottest temperature I have observed in Sweden in my 11.5 years was 29. That happened like 2 times. It's very rare for the temperature to be above 25. But obviously under sun is always warmer than that, obviously. But also if you feel that when it is 40 in Balkan, under shadow it's 60 under sun. So yeah, let's then get going with a swim in the beautiful Lake Flaten and have a blast here. Beach day number 39 is today, and I think I can choose this spot over here because it's easier to get in, and it's also probably also warmer as the lake is ending in there. Amazing, amazing, amazing. I'm so happy. And it is my first time that I'm here this year actually, on this spot that I have shown you a few times last year on my channel. Yes. Okay, so maybe I'm gonna start also my clock for the open water swim as it is much easier to start it before getting into water. All right, so Chris is ready for a swim in the lake. This is the warmest in Sweden this year in the waters, 17 degrees. So I'm really looking forward to for a refreshing dip in the lake Flaten. Oh, that's so warm. Oh my god. I'm so happy. Okay, it was the right choice not to go on the sea because I was there yesterday and it was 13 degrees. I was only swimming 3 times 3 minutes, barely swimming, just being in the water. But I love this. This is so pleasant. And I have this nudist beach spot just for myself on this Saturday, which is amazing. It's a day off. There should be more people in the nature, but yeah, it is what it is. So that is a wrap from Flaten Nature Reserve and the beautiful Flaten Lake. Thank you so much for watching this episode with me, and stay tuned for more beach adventures on my channel. Beach Adventures with Chris.